KidloLand.
It's Saturday! Do you know what Munchie and Gulpy want to do today? Munchie wants to read a book and Gulpy wants to play with a toy. Which book and toy should they pick? They just cannot decide. Finally, Munchie chooses a book about cranes. Gulpy decides to play with a toy truck. Uh-oh! Look at the mess they have created around them! There are books and toys everywhere! Drag the books and toys to the right positions. You have arranged the books and toys neatly. Nice work! Oh, look at this living room! Why don't we help them clean it? Let's use the vacuum cleaner. It's cleaning time! Job! All this cleaning has made the Chomping Monster so hungry! Let's set the table for them. Spoon, knife, fork, plate, glass of juice. Munchie and Gulpy sit at the dining table and begin eating. The food is delicious! Oops! Clumsy little Munchie has knocked over the glass and spilled juice all over the table. Let's wipe the juice he spilled. Munchie and Gulpy have finished eating. Do you know what comes next? It's time to wash the dishes. The dishes are so clean and shiny now. Thanks for doing the household chores with the Chomping Monsters. You can do it in your own home too. See you next time.